Last month, the government had in fact banned 59 Chinese apps in retaliation to Chinese treachery in Ladakh. The government now has taken that a step further, banning another 47 applications. That's not all. The very famous PUBG is also now in the lens.
After India banned TikTok, is the very famous PUBG next on government radar? Nearly a month after India's digital strike on Chinese applications to punish the dragon for the Galwan bloodshed, the crackdown is far from over. The Narendra Modi government is in no mood to relent. After banning 59 Chinese apps last month, the centre has banned another 47 Chinese applications. Sources in the Modi government said that the banned apps were operating as clones of earlier banned applications, compromising data and security. That is not all. Sources said that the government is scanning 250 more applications for potential user privacy violations and national security threats. The very famous PUBG is also on the list. Although the PUBG video game has been developed by a subsidiary of South Korean video game company Bluehole, it is also backed by China's most valuable internet major, Tencent. India is the largest market for PUBG. According to estimates from app intelligence firm Sensor Tower, PUBG has generated about 17.5 crore installations to date. It is believed that the latest list of apps under the scanner also include the e-commerce platform Alibaba, Tencent, Xiaomi and ByteDance. These apps are alleged to be sharing data with Chinese agencies. While the centre action against these Chinese applications has been swift, there is little clarity over what action Narendra Modi government will take against Chinese telecom giants Huawei and ZTE. They are facing heat in the United States after being branded as national security threats.
Well, the opposition has hit out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying he's not even named China in the Indo-China tussle. But India's response so far has been strategic, something which has worked. Actions have obviously spoken louder than words. But in the longer run, it's not just the 59 apps earlier and 47 apps now. More of these Chinese applications are now under scanner, putting a huge stress on what China calls an economic win so far, which has now been scuttled by India. With camera person Vinod, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.